In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo sent emails using the undo send feature. This is a really handy trick if you've ever hit send and immediately noticed a typo, forgot an attachment, or realized you emailed the wrong person. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up undo send in Gmail, so you have a short window of time to take an email back before it actually leaves your account. Let's start from your Gmail inbox. First, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings button. Go ahead and click on that. This opens a quick settings panel, but for what we need, we'll move into the full settings area. In that panel, you'll see an option that says See All Settings. Click on See All Settings to open the main settings page. This page has several tabs along the top, like General, Labels, Inbox, and more. We'll be working in the General tab, which should open by default. Now, scroll down the General Settings page until you find the section labeled Undo Send. This is the feature that controls how long you have to cancel an email after you press send. By default, Gmail usually sets a short delay, but you can change it to better suit your needs. In the Undo Send section, you'll see a drop-down menu with different time options, such as 5, 10, 20, or 30 seconds. Click on that drop-down and choose the delay that works best for you. If you often catch mistakes right after sending, you might want to pick a longer time, like 20 or 30 seconds. Just remember, this feature doesn't pull an email back from someone's inbox. Instead, it delays sending for the amount of time you choose, giving you a chance to cancel. After you've selected your preferred cancellation period, make sure to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This step is important. If you don't save, your new undo send settings won't take effect. From now on, whenever you send an email, you'll see a small notification at the bottom left of your screen with an option to undo. As long as you click that within your chosen time window, Gmail will stop the message from being sent and reopen it as a draft so you can edit or delete it